The jungle awakens as the sun rises, casting golden rays through the dense canopy. Mist hovers over the treetops, creating a serene yet mysterious atmosphere. The jungle, home to mighty rulers of the wild, but today, their freedom is under threat. Hidden dangers lurk beneath the beauty of the forest, traps laid by unseen hands, steel snares camouflaged in the foliage, waiting to ensnare their unsuspecting victims. A team of rescuers races through the jungle, pushing through thick vegetation, their determination unwavering. Upon reaching the trapped tiger, they work swiftly but cautiously. One member approaches with a tranquilizer dart to calm the panicked animal. Thanks to relentless conservation efforts, these tigers have a fighting chance, but we need to do more. After days of treatment and care, the tiger regains its strength. It is time for its return to the wild. The rescue team watches as the enclosure door opens. The tiger steps out cautiously, then sprints forward, disappearing into the jungle where it belongs. Protecting tigers means protecting nature's balance. Say no to wildlife products. Speak up against illegal poaching. Your small action can help save an entire species.